Alright, so it's raining again. It's really beautiful over here in Vondelpark. Alright, so it's 6 a.m. I have €3 in my bank account. So let's go to Amsterdam. So I just did my cold shower. Now I'm wide awake. By the way, a video coming about cold showers real soon. Also, I'm sorry for not posting, but you know, I had exams, so what you expect. Right, so I'm making garlic bread with tomatoes. Oh, my lens, as you can see, it's almost done. I'm drinking my coffee and yeah. Fuck, it's hot. Goodbye, doggos. Oh, a wasp. Schmigel. Schmigel. You can't be bothered. Right. I'm off. Allez. So now we're at the Vondelpark, which is free, and I'm drinking a pint which I bought with my last €3. It was just raining, but now it stopped, so it's beautiful again, as you can see. I'm going to the Van Gogh Museum in like 2 hours. It's free under 18, although I'm 18, I bought a under 18 pass. Let's see if I get in. Alright, so it's raining again. I was just vibing like for half an hour in the straight rain. It's raining a lot, as you can see in the water. People looked at me weird while they looked for shelter, but you know, I didn't. Okay. So yeah, it's raining really hard, but no, I don't really care, so that's good, I guess. Yeah, I'm going to the Van Gogh Museum in like an hour. Right now I'm chilling in the rain. So yeah, that's about it. It's really beautiful over here in Vondelpark. Really beautiful. just got free access to the museum and I got some free food. I don't know why, but they were really friendly and I got some free food. I see some meat and some vegetables, so that's really lovely. They were really friendly, really friendly. So I'm gonna eat this because I don't have any money, because that's perfect, you know. I was planning on not eating until dinner, but yeah, I got free food.
Many days is yet to come. Too many times has come to pass. Too many moments put aside. Getting out alive, getting out alive. Writing letters in the sand.